Hello, so HMRC have published some more guidance this week for those who are self-employed and looking to claim funds through the Self-Employed Income Support Scheme. The guidance is specifically around preparing those individuals on how to calculate your claim. So this is important for those who are self-employed with either individual or partnership profits, and for those who are finding that the coronavirus has impacted the business with your profits and sales all taking a downward turn or a temporary stop. If this sounds familiar, then you may be eligible for the Self-Employed Income Support Scheme, also known as SEISS. In summary, the scheme allows eligible claimants to apply for 80% of their average trading profits, up to a cap of £2,500 per month. How do you know if you can claim? Well, as well as being self-employed or a member of a partnership, there are specific criteria you must meet in order to be eligible, and I suspect there'll be a declaration required before any application is submitted. So to qualify, you must have lost trading profits due to COVID-19, you must have traded in 2019-20 tax year, you must have filed a tax return for 18-19 with self-employed or partnership profits, and if you've not done this, you have until the 23rd of April. You must intend to continue to trade in the tax year 2021 and be currently trading at the point of application, or would have been if it wasn't for COVID-19. And you must have trading profits of less than 50 grand and have more than half of your total income come from self-employment. So a big question that's been niggling us accountants and many businesses is, how are HMRC interpreting the term trading profits? So basically it's the taxable profits as shown on your tax return summary. And what does this mean? Well, HMRC will use your turnover figure on your tax return and they'll deduct any allowable business expense and capital expenditure to calculate your trading profits. So some examples of allowable business expenses include office costs such as stationery or phone bills, travel costs, fuel, parking, train, bus fares, advertising or marketing, for example website costs, clothing expenses such as uniforms or protective clothing, things that you buy to sell on, so stock or raw materials, staff costs, salaries, subcontractor costs, training courses related to your business, such as refresher courses or CPD, finance costs, including insurance and bank charges, and finally, the cost of running your business premises. So, for example, heating, lighting, business rates, rent, all those are going to be deducted, and also the cost of any capital expenditure, such as the cost of equipment and vehicles. I mentioned before that you must have trading profits of less than £50,000 and have more than half of your total income come from self-employment. So this needs to be either trading profits and total income of the 18-19 tax year, or your average trading profits and total income across up to 3 years between 2016-17, 17-18 and 18-19 tax years. There's more information on the HMRC website. We'll be posting a link to this on our page. It's also updated on our business support page under the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme. So have a look there for a little bit more detail.